Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download Minecraft on PC. So this is a simple way to get Minecraft set up on your computer and start playing without going through any complicated steps. So without further ado, let's get started. So this method uses the official Minecraft trial, so you don't need to download anything from random websites. And to begin, open any internet browser on your computer and in the search bar type Minecraft trial and then press enter. From the search results, open the official Minecraft website, which should be minecraft.net. And once you are on the Minecraft trial page, scroll down until you see the download options. To choose the operating system that matches your device. If you are on Windows, select the Windows option. If you are on Mac, select the Mac OS option. And make sure that you are downloading the Java edition. After the file is downloaded, open it from your downloads folder. On Windows, run the installer and follow the setup steps. On Mac, open the file and move the Minecraft launcher to applications. So once installed, open the Minecraft launcher and sign in with a Microsoft account. If the demo option doesn't appear, you may need to create a new Microsoft account. And after signing in, look for the play demo and click it. The game will download through the launcher, and once it is finished, you can start playing the free demo version. And that is how you can download and play Minecraft for free on a PC, laptop, or Mac using the official trial version. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.